DJM TV.
Hey, hi lovely people, how are we doing? Oh my goodness, I am so happy to be back here and I'm glad to see all of you. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about how to succeed in life. So if you want to know how to succeed in life, stay tuned. Let's go. So guys, sit tight. We're gonna talk about, I'm gonna give you guys just some key words that will help us in succeeding in life. You know, this life is not just all about making money. There are other little, you know, when you're making a soup, there are ingredients that make that soup sweet. You don't just bring a soup, the soup is made up of ingredients. So right now I'm gonna mention to you guys some of the ingredients that make this life good, that makes us succeed in life. And then the first one I'm gonna talk about is the way we talk. We have to learn to talk softly. We have to learn to talk softly, you know, especially we women. Sometimes when we're talking, we're like, blah, 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 blah. I'm one of them. Oh, you know, remember when my first video I told us that, oh, please ignore the horn. You know, I don't know, let's just keep going. Oh, just ignore some certain things that you'll be hearing in the background. Okay, so you know, we women, sometimes the way we talk, you know, we talk like we're market women, but you know, you don't have to blame us in a way. We go through a lot of things. There's just too many things going on around us. Children, business, work, oh, it's just a lot. But guess what? If we can learn to talk softly to people around us, the people we meet. I mean, every human being has an atom of madness in him or her, but guess what? You only bring that madness out of the person when you talk harshly. But when you talk softly, you tend to it goes a long way. That's number one. Number two is breathe deeply. Like I said, there are different people, different way we behave. But trust me, when you know, sometimes you meet people, you don't even know what they've been through, you don't even know what their day has been like, but you know, we just judge them by the way they, you know, they react at that particular time. But if somebody makes you angry, instead of reacting bad, all you need to do is just breathe deeply, breathe, and then that breath that you already, you know, breathe will make you talk softly. You're not talk harshly to the person. You know, when you talk harshly to the person, that's when fights will come, and then you want to do it upon up. But when you talk softly, you breathe well, take a very deep breath. You'll now get yourself back and be able to talk nicely to the person. Understood? Yes. Are you with me? So the third one we're going to talk about is sleep. most of us, especially women, we don't sleep well. We don't sleep well. Sometimes you see people's skin will be glowing. You see them, you know, you see them looking good. You'll be wondering, what cream is she using? Where did she buy this cream from? What bleaching cream? It's a lie, yo. Some of these women, you don't know what sleep does to our skin. You don't even know what sleep does to your health. It makes you healthy. If you have enough sleep, enough rest, you'll be healthy and your skin will be nourishing, like you used you know, what are all these bleaching cream they use? Me, I don't even know. Wait, I think I remember some Demovetes, So White, all those things. But sleep goes a long way. You see your face will be glowing. You will look like a pregnant woman, even though you are not pregnant. So remember, the 3 things I already talked to us here now about is the way we talk softly. When you are eating, you eat well. Okay, I've not even talked about eating safe. Don't mind me, Jerry. The ones that we have talked about to talk softly, to breathe deeply, and then the third one is sleep, sufficient sleep. So sleep sufficiently. Okay, then the fourth one we'll now talk about now is eating. When you are eating, eat like a sensible person. When you are eating, don't be oh God. You see this food we eat, the food we eat can kill us, and it can even make us, you know, feel good. So everything depends on what you eat. Everything depends on, you know, do you eat junk food? Do you eat healthy food? Do you eat, you know, things that will nourish you? Do you eat things that will make you fat? So whenever you're eating, check what you eat. Eat more of vegetables. Eat more of fruits instead of more of fries, McDonald's, ice cream. So when you are eating, eat sensibly. Use your brain when you are eating. Eat things that will nourish your body. Eat things that, you know, that will make your skin glow. Because all these things we eat, it has to do with this body. All the things we eat, it has to do with your body. When you see your skin, you see the color of your hair. Sometimes some of this food we eat change the color of our hair. I'm telling you. So when you are eating, know the kind of food you eat. Okay, that's another one. So the next one we're going to talk about is our dress. You dress smartly. When I mean dress smartly, I didn't mean to go and start buying very expensive clothes if you cannot afford it. People like me, we have stores that we call, there is Ross, there is a dress for less, all that. What matters is not how much you buy the clothes. What matters is how the fitting of the clothes. Sometimes you see somebody that will go and buy clothes of $100. You see another person that will go and buy clothes of $10. But you will prefer the one that was bought $10 to the one that was bought $100. Why? Because of the fitting. So when you are dressing, dress smart. No matter what you do, I love to dress very simple. But when you look at me under my simplicity style, you will still like me. You see what I mean? See what I'm wearing. What I'm wearing right now is a t-shirt that I removed the sleeve of the t-shirt and then use Ankara to make the sleeve. But how much does it cost? It does not cost much. I just bought myself a t-shirt of about $25 and then I use part of my Ankara to do the sleeve. And am I not looking good? No, tell me. Am I not looking good? Or is it when I come and now start buying clothes of $200, that's when I will look good? Like, to me, this way I am now is good. So that's another one. The next one we're going to talk about right now is the way you act. You have to, the way we act, we have to act fearlessly. You know what I mean by acting fearlessly? I don't mean if you go and see lion, you go and meet the lion fearlessly. Lion will, you know, it will gaga you. It will dockard you. The lion will dockard you. When I mean act fearlessly, I mean there are times you will see people, they want to intimidate you. Ooh! Show them who you are. Let them know you cannot be intimidated. Show your true color. Bring out your true color. Especially we women. I didn't mean use your mouth. Oh, it's not only when you use your mouth that you show that you you don't have no fear. Sometimes the way you act will put people in their place. So that's another one. When you're acting, act fearlessly. The next one is walk. When I mean walk, I mean the way we walk. The kind of business we do. The kind of work we do. Some of us work in offices. Some of us go to our businesses. Whatever you do, whichever one you do, just do it patiently. No gara 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 gara. No. You know, whatever you do, do it patiently. Take your time to do it. I didn't mean sleep on that work. I didn't mean sleep on that business. What I mean is just be patient. Gently, one by one. Take it one step at a time. All these things help life, because when you are rushing, when you're doing things, it's affecting your health. It's affecting your brain. It's affecting you as a person. And it might even affect the people around you. You understand me? Are you getting me? Good. Yes. So please, when we walk, it's good to walk, but walk patiently. It will avoid you having, you know, problems with people. When you take your walk patiently, it will help you. It will help people around you. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. The next one we're going to talk about, and this one will be the last one, is the way we earn money. We earn honestly. Because in all these things, in everything you do, you have to have the fear of God in you. You earn honestly. Don't be putting your hand in any wuru thing just because you want to make money. No, 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 no. Earn honestly. That way things will be going right for you. Don't go and be doing, all those people that didn't earn their money in the right way. Check them out today and see how far. When you earn it honestly, you inside you will be happy. The people around you will be happy. You will be safe. But when you don't earn it honestly, hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, any little thing, fear will hold you. And even when you're eating the money safe, you're not eating it with joy because you know how you earned it. But when you earn honestly, when you earn with the fear of God in you, hey, Egbe, you eat your money anyhow, shout on people anyhow. If anybody misbehave, you push the person to the side because you know how you earned your money, because you suffered for that money. So all in all, people of God, what I want to tell you people here is this: with all these things that I've mentioned to you, if you do it the way I mentioned it to you, you know, like I told you, it's like cooking soup. When you cook soup with the right ingredients, it will be sweet. So when you use this guideline that I gave to you now in life, trust me, you will succeed in life. So the way I just gave you people this guideline, that's the same way I'm giving myself the guideline. We are learning together. So let's try and practice it, and then we will see how far it's going to take us. Okay? All right. I don't like to leave you people, but you know, I have to move around. Let me just stand up and move around, okay? So, but meanwhile, you remember how far now? Subscribe, like, and then leave your comments. If there are other things you feel that can help us succeed in life, please just leave them in the comment section. I like to go to that comment section because I like to see how far. I want to be learning from you people too. So if you leave it in the comment section, I will pick it from there and I will still share so that others too can know. Okay? Alright, so thank you, and then I'll see you guys soon. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram handle right here, up here. So I'll see you guys soon. Remain blessed and don't forget that I love you. Okay? I love you, I love you, I love you from the bottom of my heart. See ya.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people. Don't say no. They don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.